Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again with another daily grind. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean up your storage on your iPhone or iOS device depending on what device you're running on. This should work from iOS 9, 10, and 11. It should support it. I'm not sure if you guys have the older version of this application, but it does work. This one is called Dr. Clean. Now I have plenty of these cleaners. If you guys haven't found these yet, there's a website specifically for that, which is called appfinderforios.com. That is in form of a link in the description, so if you click that you can get there and find tons of new apps that this guy named Mr. R finds. He's a really cool guy. He's really nice, so if you guys find any applications, be sure to report them to him. He will be adding them to the website. So I'll be doing plenty of videos on this website, considering these are the links for the application in the App Store. So if you guys do like these videos, be sure to smash that like. Check out this daily wallpaper I do have for you guys. That will be in the description under daily wallpaper section. Hope you guys do like that addition. There will be shoutouts, as you guys can tell from my iOS videos only. There will be shoutouts on the middle right. You guys will see that I have a favorite Twitter and a favorite YouTuber. They are always active in my comments, so if you guys want to be one of those, all you have to be doing is commenting down below, liking, subscribing, turning on those notifications, and always be one of those notification squad members. Alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy it. Let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, switching over to iPhone cam. As you guys can see, I have a lovely wallpaper right here. It's Batman. It's like the newer type of Batman, the one from the cartoons. But yeah, it's pretty cool guys. If you guys do want that wallpaper, be sure to check the daily wallpapers down in the description. Click the link. It will take you to a Google image. Hold it down, click save image, and put that as your wallpaper. That's basically it for these wallpapers guys. Alright guys, and let's get straight into this video. So as you guys can see, the application I'm talking about is called Dr. Cleaner. Now this application has been updated from a while ago. I'm glad it has a new logo as well as a new interface. So once we go inside, all you have to do is tap it. Then it says, would you like to access your photos? Just click OK. It just wants to clean your storage. Then all you guys have to do is click start. Now just to show you guys of my space before we get started. So this is my storage. You guys can see available 899 megabytes. Now let's go inside. Let's click start. Click OK. Then you guys can see it's working. It's a little magic. Click done. That's what it said. It said it will appear and it will ask you need to free up your space and stuff like that. So basically, you guys, all you have to do is wait for this processing to be over. It should take no more than a minute. Alright, now it says done. Try again later. So now that it's finished, basically what you want to do is go ahead into settings again. And as you guys can see, I have even more space than I did before. Now, basically what happened was I did use a cleaner like this before yesterday as well as today. That's why I didn't make a huge drastic change. But guys, trust me, this cleaner is also really good and well put together guys. It did work for me, most of it. Although it only cleared a couple megabytes for me, it will clear tons of megabytes or even gigabytes for you. I have tons of applications just like those, so if you guys want to try any one of those, that's on the website, which is App Finder for iOS. You guys can see here, this website is made by Mr. R. His Twitter link is also in the description if you guys want to hit him up. So to get on this website, all you have to do is slide to the right, go phone cleaners. Then you guys, once you tap on it, you guys can see they have the phone cleaners. So this is my favorite one. The green one is my favorite out of all of them, but I'm showing you this one for Dr. Cleaner today. You guys can try all of these just to see if they work specifically for your device. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a fat like down below. Always hit me up with that subscription. Love you guys so much. Have a good one. Peace.